Good morning po kay Sir Lijan of Iloilo. Welcome to 5th generation na Bishop. This is the Colt M45 CQBP airgun pistol. Officially licensed product of Colt. Umarex brand. CO2 powered pistol, 12G. Steel ball yung bala, 4.5mm in diameter steel ball. Ito po yung specs. Ayan, caliber 4.5mm or 177 steel ball. Ayan, ammo steel ball, capacity 17 rounds. Power source 12 GCO2, velocity up to 96 meter per second. Yung sight is fixed front and rear. Trigger, single action, manual safety, barrel, smooth bore, barrel length 127mm, dangerous area up to 275 meters, weight 930 grams, overall length 220mm. Ayan. Okay. Government model Colt. License, ayan po, license trademarks of Colt Manufacturing Company. Okay. Buksan na natin. It comes with the safety instructions and maintenance manual, and of course the operating instruction manual. Ayan, so ito po yun, M45 CQBP. No, ito pala M45 CQBP. Ito kasi yung two-tone. Ito naman yung 1911 custom. Wala pa tayo niyan. Ito yun. Okay? Pero meron tayong available na Colt 1911 Classic. Gagawa namin yun ng testing. And also comes with silicone oil. Ito yung steel ball. Ito yung bala. Ayan, steel BB. Silver coated. Yun yung bala. Allen, and the unit with full markings. Colt automatic caliber 45 sa kabilang side, anti-skid grip, skeletonized hammer, tritium sight, 3 dots, 3 white dots, serrated front and rear with Picatinny rail for flashlights. '18-rounder CO2 magazine with ambidextrous manual safety. Ayan, and then meron din siyang beaver tail. So pag hindi siya engaged, hindi rin siya puputok. Ayan. Ganda ng tunog, oh. Ang lutong. Oh. Colt M45 CQBP. Lutong. And the magazine is 17 plus 1 rounder capacity. Load tayo CO2. Okay? Lagay lang natin ng oil. The tip of the CO2. Insert on the magazine. And then luwagan natin yung screw kasi hindi siya makapasok. You need the Allen screw. Right there. And then, pihitin natin. Kailangan, para hindi umikot yung CO2, pigilan nyo po. Yan. So, kailangan mabilis po yung pihit, ikot. So, testingin lang natin. Wala siyang bali. To check lang na nabutas na yung CO2. Ayun. So, may recoil. Malakas. Then, load tayo ng steel ball. So for now, I'm using the caliber 4.5mm. This is copper coated, but you can also use the silver coated steel ball. Walang problema doon. So pag load, baba yung spring, alalay lang sa spring. Lagay lang sa butas. Pagdating naman sa maintenance, you can disassemble the slide. Pwede siyang ma-remove. Just like sa mga real steel, nare-remove din siya. Okay? Linis lang. Linis ng barrel, inner barrel, outer barrel. Ano lang, gamit lang kayo ng cotton buds, alcohol. Okay na po yun. And then ito, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng oil. Patakan ng oil. Kasi may mga o-ring po kasi yan sa loob. Okay? Sir Legion. So, ito pala, pag nag-open slide, just in case na wala na siyang bala, nag-open slide siya. So, ang gagawin nyo po, hatak lang, baba yung slide. This is the slide stop. Baba yung slide stop and then release. Kasi hindi siya katulad dun sa Glock na pag hinatak mo siya, bababa yung spring, ay yung slide stop. This one, wala siyang spring. Slide stop. So, para hindi siya ano, pwede naman ganyan. Para hindi siya mapudpud kasi itong notch na yan yung pinagsampahan po ng slide stop. Para hindi po yan mapudpud. Syempre, hindi naman siya real steel. Hindi siya katulad sa totoong baril na talagang matitigas yung pagkabakal. Okay, para maingatan lang po natin, hindi siya mapudpud. Tulak mo siya may bahagya para walang friction po. Tsaka mo siya ibababa, and then release. Okay? Testing, 1911, Colt M45 CQBP. Testing, sir. Sir Legion of Iloilo. 1911, Colt M45 CQBP. Wow, ganda. Oh. Open slide. Ito sir, yung magazine, kapag malamig po, may tendency hindi mag-open slide. Kapag malamig po, continuous yung gamit, possible hindi mag-open slide. That's normal po. Okay lang po yun. Okay? Lalay lang. Hammer down. All goods na po sir. Nice. Nice one. Sir Legion of Iloilo.